Alright, super quick update on Cake. So, not much has changed since my video in the higher time frames yesterday. Yesterday we came up to this 618 Fibonacci, which I told you was pretty much going to be the only region getting in the way of our trade all the way up here at $14.50. We're predicting a 79% increase for Cake. We have already gone up a decent amount. We're only predicting another 60% rise for this trade. If you look at this on the daily, it kind of looks like a cup and handle pattern. If we come over to the 4-hour, it really does start to shape up as a potential cup and handle pattern. So we've got, you can see the cup here. Basically where I have the 618 fib is the neckline of this anyway, and then you can see if I draw the handle, you can see this is really perfect, especially on the 4-hour. We've got a nice handle going on right now, so we could continue to chop around for Cake for the next couple of days or so. Ideally, I wouldn't really want to see a move much further below 875. That would also nicely line up with where I believe the EMA ribbons on the long-term moving average would begin to move up during that time. So we've got a pretty decent setup for Cake right now. If we extrapolate a price target of where this could potentially lead us, if we do have a breakout, let's see if it lines up close to our price target up here. No, it doesn't get too much further up. It does take us above the 200-day moving average though, which is currently trailing in at $11.70. The price target of this cup and handle breakout would be up here at approximately $11.88. That would be very nice. If you're wondering what our long-term target is, up here at $14.55, or should I say our mid-term target, because I have much higher price targets on Cake. I believe Cake's a great project and it's going to go back up to its all-time high during the next altcoin run-up. Let's see. So our price level up here is literally just the first Fibonacci region, and that's another reason why I think it's a very conservative trade. I mean, we could have picked the 618 up here, but we're literally looking for a retest of the first Fibonacci region coming in at the 0.23. Once again at basically $14.50. I think that's a pretty conservative trade. That's what I'm currently looking for Cake. A couple of other signals. If you look on the daily here, we do have the daily EMA ribbons firing up bullish. This is nice. We're seeing continuation. The EMA ribbons are still quite a bit below us, and they are building support as we do go up. The EMA ribbons on the daily are currently coming in a very strong level of support at $8.50. If we look at the daily squeeze bomb, you can also see that we're having a very important momentum shift right now. And I talked about this in my last video. The last time we had a momentum shift, we started putting in these consecutive dark red candles on the 7th of March. And we had an impulse all the way up here, an 85% rally. If you look at what's going on the daily squeeze bomb now, you can currently see that it has recently fired a signal that the bulls are about to take over, and we have only gone up 15%. In my opinion, we do have a lot further to go up. I think the most conservative price target you could have on this would be up to the 200-day moving average, which would be a 27% increase. So I'm liking what we see on Cake here. Higher time frames are very bullish. In the lower time frames, whether this plays out or not, we will have to see. This is a little bit of hopium for you, but this does look very nice. Whether you want to see this as a rounding bottom, whether you want to see this as a very ugly W pattern that has broken out and probably already hit the price target, whether like me you think this is a cup and handle, or if you're just appreciating the higher lows on this time frame, Cake looks very good for a breakup in my opinion. So keep your eyes on 969. That is the ultimate breakout level of the neckline of this cup and handle pattern. If we come up in the next 4 to 8 hours, also keep your eyes on 940. A strong break above that would mean that we're above the handle for the cup and handle, and we will be heading right up to the neckline and potentially breaking out to the price target of $11.80. Looking very good for Cake. That is all I've got for you today. Once again, not financial advice. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.